Do not download it unless you need it. Here we go. Hello everybody, welcome back once again to the channel. You know it is Gigi with you once again. First time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, don't forget about the notification bell. Today we're going to explain about why hotfixes and early driver is a risky thing for early adoption. This isn't for everyone, you know, but we'll let you see if you want to install it or not. But we're going to talk about a brief breakdown about FC25, Dune Awakening, Dragon's Dogma 2 fixes, and we're going to call out some potential side effects of a rushed hotfix, you know, some blueprint, fixed versus unfixed list. You know, we can go through that. Installed if your system is already experiencing specific crashes. Skip if your GPU is stable or you are doing pro work. So basically, if you're content creating and streaming, is it safe, risky, or a potential disaster? So better think about that. We'll tell you how to download it properly from NVIDIA's support site, rollback steps if it breaks, if you need it. You probably don't, you probably already know how to roll it back, but we'll just move on. Think twice before downloading it. It's not for everybody, guys. This is basically, just, I'm going to tell you this. Wait for the WHQL driver from NVIDIA. They're already having a bunch of problems as it is, and you get a hotfix, it's not guaranteed to fix your problems. This is kind of why I want you guys to be careful. We are at the action screen. And the reason why is because I want to read this out to you really quick. It says, this hotfix following Dune Awakening may crash during gameplay, and blah, blah, blah. I already read that out to you guys earlier. I'll probably read it out to you again so you understand. But this is pretty much what we want to focus on right here. This right here. This says, GeForce Driver is an incredibly complex piece of software. We have an army of software and engineers constantly adding features to and bug fixes. These are checked into main driver branches, which are eventually run through massive Q&A processes and released. Since we have so many changes being checked in, we usually try to align driver releases with significant game or product releases. This process has served us pretty well over the years, but it has one significant weakness. Sometimes a change that is important to many users might end up waiting until we are able to release the driver. The GeForce Hotfix Driver is our way of trying to get some of these fixes out to you more quickly. These drivers are based upon the same previous released version, like the 576.52, with smaller number of additional targeted fixes. The fixes that make it in, many more, will be incorporated into the next official driver release, at which time the hotfix driver will be taken down. So basically, once the new release comes up, they'll take this one out. To be sure, these hotfix drivers are beta. It says, to be sure, these hotfix drivers are beta, optional and provided as is. So basically, you're getting a raw sample of it. They are run through a much abbreviated QA process. This sole reason they exist is to get fixes out to you more quickly. But they put this in. The safest option is to wait until the next WHQL-certified driver. Take that in note. But we also know that many of you are willing to try these out and test it, or, you know, get ahead of the game. As a result, we are providing NVIDIA hotfix drivers through our NVIDIA customer care support site. I'm going to tell you like this. I'm not going to tell you how to update it or anything else. I'm going to tell you it's out there. If I would update it, no, I wouldn't update to it because I have nothing in there that's needed. But if there's something you need in there, then that might be the update for you. You play at your own risk when you download these driver updates, just to keep that in mind. But also, too, keep in mind that you made it to the end of the video. So if this is your first time here, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, don't forget about the notification bell so you know when I post the next video. Till the next time, in the next video, you know what it is, and we'll see you on the next one.